What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I just really have not been motivated to upload any of the masks that I've been making as of late. Once again, it's another debut mask. This one's more cleaner than the last one. This is like the not worn version, has a darker hair on it also. I did have a couple of people questioning the hair color on the last one, but in some of the instances of whenever his hair was dry or whatever, he had a lot of hair on it, and it's kind of hard to find like that color hair. But I have come up with another way of doing the rivets. Not come up with another way, but I have bought some new stuff so that I can have some really good rivets going. Smooth them out so they're not as rugged. And you can also see where I have like a new Velcro system going on. This another kind of Velcro. I think this is like used for like electrical stuff, but it doesn't tangle the hair as much as the regular Velcro did. And then also at the top, I added in a kind of adjustment feature. So if you guys out there, you have either a bigger head or a smaller head, you can also adjust it. And all of my other masks, it just had like an elastic band. This hair was sewn onto an elastic band, and then that was that. But now you have like an adjustment feature to where you can adjust the top of your head. Also on the back here, I have like the more screen accurate size of O-ring that Kane used. So, and I can thank Frankie Spalding for giving me that information, and those will be coming with the next game mask also. And then also with the straps, I'm now using leather instead of the vinyl. With one of the vinyls that I was using, after keeping like one of my masks for a while, I noticed that the vinyl was actually stripping in the back. I don't know if you guys have had any issues with that, but I have now realized that that vinyl was not good. So now I'm using real leather, and that should fix any issues with straps. And I'm also using like the Velcro that doesn't like stick to the hair, tangle up in the hair or anything like that, so that's good. So I haven't applied any lacquer or clear coat to this mask just yet. I did it like afterwards, after making this video, and then I got it shipped out to the customer. So this is just another debut mask, and I kind of want to get some content out for you guys. I am working on a 90, I think this is like 98 masks. The one where he was like I call it the big red mask. I am working on one of those, and he was like teamed up like right when he started teaming up with Xbox. But I'm making one of those just for shits and giggles, and I'll be doing a video on that one too. You might just see this in a video on somebody else's channel, but I don't know. We'll see how well it turns out. So that's it about this mask. I will be try to upload more if I can. I got a lot of stuff planned, but it's just I have to work up the nerve to get it done. So that's about it for this video. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it won't be months in the future. It probably won't be, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.